So, good morning. So, nandito tayo sa tapat ng kanto ng homestay ko. So, waiting tayo ng bus para sa Cuchitaner Plus Mekong Delta River Tour. Sabi ko nila, arrive sila dito ng 10 minutes earlier. So, waiting tayo. Thank you. So, minute tayo nung nakabike. So, minute tayo nung nakabike. Nasa kabilang kalsada daw yung bus. Saan daw yung meeting place. So, andito na tayo. So, hindi siya bar. Ay, hindi siya bus. Parang van siya na maluwag. So, ito pala yung mga tour bus nila. Tingin ko ito sila lahat. Tatlo na sila dito eh. Ayan. So, yan. Pasok na tayo. Go door side. Hindi naman ako excited. Ano? Pero nauna ako. Kahapon ko lang ito binok sa clock. It cost me 1,888 pesos. So, yung dala kong gear na yun is itong DJI Action 5, Telesin Trifold Hand Grip, Holy Land A1 mic, tapos dala ko na rin yung Insta360 ko and extra spare battery ng Action 5. So, yung microphone ko pala, meron akong cable adapter. Ito, picture ko para sa'yo. And meron tayong 2 hours travel time.
Yesterday, lunch start in the Mekong Delta, start around 2 p.m.
So, bus stop na siya ulit. Then,
To the light, you will see the rainbow color light.
so, nagpapakita na yung mga art for the handicapped people.
Black oil on top of the picture, and we policy 3 times.
So, artwork pala siya for mga handicapped workers. Example, ito si Kuya. Yung isang paa niya is parang may support na bakal.
The strongest wood in Vietnam can be with different weather, especially we
2 hours later.
Dito na kami sa entrance Pakuchi Tunnel. Yung sa reception for the ticket or booking office. Ando yan tayo sa Pakuchi Tunnel. So actually, diadaan natin ngayon tunnel na yun. Upon entrance, bibigyan nila kayo ng ticket na i-scan nila yung QR.
Guys, to the Fuji tunnel. Stand right here in the red dot. Yeah, stand right here in the red dot. Recommended stay together and organize the flash. I think that's too big, too heavy. Cannot carry down in the tunnel.
Tapos na kami dun sa explanation about sa history ng yung part na yun sa Cuchitaner. Sobrang informative niya. May educate talaga about history sa war ng Vietnam. Saka na-entertain ako dun sa explanation ng yung sa tunnel, kung paano nila ginawa, kung paano may access yung air. Ang galing, ang galing.
Now stop to movie drop there. Follow me.
It's around 4 meter. And like I say, with
Guys, ito yung papasok ka na sa ilalim.
okay, on the door. Okay, hold the door.
Skip dito.
You can let the piece of cake.
So yun, nakakatawa siya guys. Meron pang tunnel padiretso pababa. Kasi paglubog ko, hindi ko siya napansin. Pero in-extend ko kasi yung paa ko. Tapos walang tinatamaan na pader. Meron, tapos pag angat ko nung takip, meron pa pala siya pababa.
Listen, the first step when the enemy jump down with you, the bamboo stick hit them from on the other side. Yeah, he looked like the photo I just saw for you, right?
So, yung mga tunnel dito, guys, hindi pala pwedeng malaki ka. Supposed to be, dapat maliit ka talaga. Kasi pagpapasok ka, nakataas kamay, nakadapa, gagapang ka. So, yung mga muscular people dito, hindi talaga yan. Kaya yung mga Vietnamese din dati is hindi sila muscular, hindi sila malalaki, maliliit talaga sila. So, may mga symbol daw dito, like right, left, down. Then, kapag cross is fake tunnel yan. Yung mga Vietnamese before, alam nila kung nasaan yung mga sign na yun, despite na nasa loob ka ng jungle. No. So, ito guys is breathing hole. Or sometimes, yung butas daw na yun is hindi siya for air. So, when Americans take a peek, i-ambush nila. So, pwedeng paparilin, pwedeng titusukin. So, gano'n. Ang galing, sobrang informative and nakaka-educate yung experience dito. So, yung naririnig yung tumutunog na yun, gunshots yun. Pwede ka kasi dito mag-test fire ng barrel. Parang, ewan ko anong rifle yun, parang AK ata. AK-47. No. Primitive yung way nila ng paggawa ng clubs, pero it works to counter Americans. Galing.
And remember,
Oh, yeah. It's heavy.
the bomb is a rocket launcher.
So, yung pinuntahan namin na yun is military workshop.
Booby drop or sticky bomb inside. That we don't know. After the 50 years, no one opened this one.
Ang kanina natin guys, doon, is yung military workshop na every time na may bombshell silang nakukuha is nare-recycle nila. Yung hinawakan ko ng bombshell kanina is ang bigat, parang 10 kilos ata siya, isang plate lang. Tapos yung bumubuhat daw nun, yung Vietnamese War is isang tao lang. And yung isang buong bombshell. Skinny pero strong daw yung mga Vietnamese dati. At andito na yung shooting range. Na siya.
750,000 Vietnamese dong.
So ito yung firing range siya. So yung sandals daw nila, yung chinelas nila is gawa sa car tire sa dyan. And so very resourceful yung mga Vietnamese soldier that time.
Set up the C4 DND bomb
So ang talino kung paano nila ginawa yung sandals. So basta merong siyang way kung paano malalaman ng kakampi or kalaban kung saan talaga sila papunta. So pupunta na kami sa tunnel. So merong option 20 meters, 40, 60, 80, 100. Pero yung exit kasi is nasa 20 lang or 100. So pili ka lang kung 20 or 100 meters.
Remember,
Naka 100 meter ata kami. Ito din daw yung ginamit na tunnel nung war, pero mas pinaluwag nila para sa tourist. So originally masikip talaga to. Oh, meron pa dito sa kaliwa. So guys, parang magsisisi na 100 meters. 100 meters to na nakayukulak tayo. Nasa harapan ko, nakayuko na. Mga 20 meters pa lang pala yan. Oh, at least here we can stand. Guys,
tinry nyo to, dapat malakas tuhod nyo. Tinry nyo to, dapat malakas tuhod nyo. No joint problem or anything. Okay.
Okay, good job.
Ang hirap tumuha sa part na yun. I'm the last in our group.
Okay, your last one, right?
Yeah.
One, two.
How many meters is this?
20 meter left.
20 meter
Yes,
left.
go straight.
Oh, I thought it's 60 more. Oh, so this is sloping.
You need to crawling. Okay. Right, let's go.
Buti na lang, hindi ako ganun kalaking tao.
Good job, my friend. You're almost done. Almost there.
You know, when the clearance is... Yung clearance is medyo... Oh my goodness. Oh.
Hi, Vic Kong, Aussie Kong.
Orlando, give us a round of applause. All right.
Brother.
You good, everyone?
Yeah.
One more round.
100 meters. We're good.
Medical bunk. Where are you waiting for me? Okay. In the middle of the journey, it's only 15 meters. 1-5.
Now survive.
Again, this bunker.
100 meter. Pero enjoy. Good experience. Yung taan na dinaanan namin daw is 60% larger dun sa original. Grabe. So, kung 60% larger yung original, technically yung butas lang ng original is siguro body size lang talaga, gapang lang. Ganun. Lupit.
This one have a lot of the names. Kamoting kahoy, kalanghoy, yoga, upi kayo, maniok, cassava, tapioca. Yeah, a lot.
So, may pamerienda and kamote.
What we need to eat, you know? But bro, we can eat any sun.
Kamote.
Just need only water. After 3, from the ring uniform window that hit the shoulder from the north side.
Pabalik na kami sa van. Punta na kami sa Mekong Delta. 2 hours drive yun.
2 hours later.
So, arrive na tayo dito sa may Mekong Delta River. Then, magbo-boat ride tayo. Tatawid daw tayo ng kabilang island. Then, doon na tayo magla-lunch. So, let's go.
I know you see the sunlight, but you picked the wrong point. Stay right there if you don't want to see the sunlight. Our other 10 minutes, start from the China and from the Laos, this is the Laos area. And the first development for the houseboat, you know, how to drive it and Okay. Okay. Right.
Guys, kain na ako. Gutom na yun. Mabilis lang. Rice. Melon. Ito. Hindi ko lang tawag sa ibang foods. Para mas tap lang. Naka-recharge na. Power up. So, after kumain, so ganito pala dito, around the area. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ako mag-lock ng kate. So, mukhang may souvenir shop doon. Tingin tayo. Mga mga magagamit talaga. Pero pagbalik, parang wala na pala. Parang ito lang yung part na makakainan. Ano ba, parang bahay-bahay na yung nasa likod. Dito tayo galing kanina. Hindi ako makapag-photography, wala akong dalang camera. Mabigat na eh.
Okay, this one is the Langan pig, fly pig, or farmer pig. In the Vietnam, we call this one is the Langan pig. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. So, mag-try kami ng lemon honey tea. Di ba maging ganito kasarap ang ginger? Oh, smells good.
Come on. No more feeling. Okay, very good. Next time is your turn. Please, do not hold too tight. Carton never like it.
Oh, it's heavy.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so may nagbabangka sa'yo. So, dito ata yung boat ride.
We have the pineapple, papaya, mango, watermelon, and guava. And this one is the condition of
Ano
music.
sila ng guava, pineapple, watermelon,
Or
papaya,
with
and
the
mango.
we're gonna
Then, habang kumakain tayo ng mga tropical fruits nila, merong
when they come to
mag-perform.
the song of Vietnam, they together from the stranger, they become
Guys, so. I don't drink.
no DJ. You need to drink DJ. It means man drink, woman happy. In the countryside, we believe that small one can make you do longer.
I didn't drink though. Lol.
But not more. This one is the one from the good state. This one like
So, andito na tayo sa may manual boat riding sa Mekong River.
we have the soft ride with the rowboat like this one.
Guys, sama ko kayo sa vlog ko ah. Okay lang. Go lang. Picturean ko kayo. Ano naman? Meron, pero not that active.
Personal vlogging po.
Anong camera yun?
DJI Action 5. So, tumambay muna ako guys. So, hindi pa kami tapos. Time check. Alas 5 na. So, possible daw 5 hours yung biyahe pabalik. So, yeah, tapos na.
Right?
2 hours back to Ho Chi Minh?
Yeah, 2
Okay.
hours. 2 hours come back to the Ho Chi Minh City.
Hopefully 2 hours.
Apo, 8 hours, yeah. So, 2 hours daw. Tingin ko, aabot yan ng 3. So, update ko kayo pag nakawin ako. Cut.
A few moments later.
So, mag-dinner na tayo. Kabalik na tayo galing Puchi Tanen and Mekong River tour. So, dinner tayo. Pho ulit. Sarap eh, favorite ko. So, nakakapagod guys. Ang tagal din ng biyahe. Parang 1.5 hour papunta doon sa Puchi. Then 2 hours Puchi. Then 2 hours from Puchi to Mekong. Then 2.5 hours pa uwi. Ang tagal. So, nakakapagod din. Kulay brown siya. Yep. So talaga. The best talaga yung authentic pho. The best talaga yung authentic pho. Tapos yung noodles sila dito is yung normal na fresh na noodles. Yung iba kasi palapad eh. Dito yung parang spaghetti style. So yeah guys, I will enjoy my dinner and that's for today. See you tomorrow.